Hey everyone, so this will just be a very quick unboxing and quick look, just a little look around of the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. This is a $70 GPS watch, super cheap, and looks pretty nice. 1.69-inch display, color display. Actually has GPS and GLONASS, so not just GPS, that is cool. Long battery life, 5 atmospheres, water resistant. Actually has blood oxygen saturation, 60 plus sport modes, whole bunch of stuff on the back, and then if you need help there. Alright, and then this will work with either iOS or Android phones. If we can get it out, there we go. It's a different little package here. We'll come back to the watch in just a moment. If I can outsmart the box here. So far I am not. Paperwork. Funky looking, very funky looking charger. And watch, which apparently just turned itself on me. More packaging that's outsmarting me. Even says, up your game. Actually has some protection around the band itself. So let's go ahead and look at this band. For this watch, not just the band. Let's go ahead and look at this watch here. So it does lay flat, which is always nice. A little bit more lighting on here. Very nice looking watch. I mean, of course, it's reminiscent of like the Apple Watch, like a lot of these watches are. Not all Amazfits are. They're like the T-Rex and the line of watches, which are a bit more outdoorsy looking. It's more smartwatch looking. So we have like the little rotating guy here. I think it rotates. It's also a button. 45% charged. Of course, you have all your sensors on the back there. What I liked about this over, well, besides from the price, over the T-Rex line is the bands are very much changeable. They're not probably the easiest to change out, but you can just pull that off, and you should be able to switch these out with other bands like from Amazon, which is cool. Whereas the T-Rexes have a weird way of doing it, a way harder way of doing it. But yeah, overall it's a nice looking little watch. It feels decent. I mean, it's only $70, so can't complain too much about the way it feels and looks. And it actually doesn't feel cheap. Not too bad. I mean, I've reviewed some cheap watches, cheaper than this. This feels pretty good. So yeah, cool. Alright guys, like I said, just very quick unboxing. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.